Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the update on Dogelon Mars. As in earlier videos, I was showing you that after breaking out this very long-term resistance zone from 2205 to 2500, the price of Dogelon Mars was retesting the previous resistance zone as a support zone. Now you can see that after retesting this support zone, it is geared up. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that the price and drop down here retested the support zone, geared up, and now after another retest, it is gearing up. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this quite long-term down channel as well. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7 day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of January 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And for example, if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for move, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, and you can also want the complete trade setup as well, like the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. This trade setup I shared on 16th of January 2024 with my members. And here you can also want the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from this buying zone and read the sell target zone. First, the price zone again re-enter the buying zone. Then we had a very nice pump. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Dogelon Mars. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it has been moving inside this down channel. We had rejection here, bounce, rejection, so many touch points here at the support. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here, rejection, few more rejections here. Then we had the last bounce here. Then price line finally broke out the resistance of this channel. And after the breakout, it was continuously moving inside this broadening rising wedge pattern as well. And after breaking out the broadening rising wedge pattern for several days or weeks, it has been struggling to break out this long-term resistance zone. That's not from point double zero double zero and double zero six times zero double two zero five. It goes to six times zero two five double zero dollars. And by the way, this resistance zone, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then it will be more easy for us to watch it. And you can see that previously it had been working as a very strong support zone for several weeks and months. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance here. And now again, it was working as a very strong resistance. And finally, we have broken out this resistance zone that is now flipped into a support zone. Let me move back on the daily time frame. And here you can see that after the breakout, at the price and drop down, retested the support zone, geared up, and now again it is gearing up. At the same time, on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have this EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21, that is also about to enter inside the support zone. Along with this EMA 21, this support will become stronger now. And now, if we take a look at the targets, then we have already hit the target for the breakout from this channel because the target was here at the top of the channel at 4200. By the way, over there, we have another very long-term resistance that was recently working as a resistance here. And before that, it was working as a resistance here. And for several weeks, it has been working as a resistance here as well. And despite this long spike, this time again, it could not break it out. Therefore, we need to break it out to continue this rally to the upside. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at point double zero double zero and zero five times zero double two seven $2.76. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.